Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Fashom unboxing. Fashom, yeah. I love receiving a style box from Fashom. What you do is you go online, or there is also a Fashom app, and you fill out a style profile. You are then paired with a stylist who will send you 5 pieces. But what sets Fashom apart from the other style services is you do get a preview. And in that preview, they will offer you like 7 to 8 items. You pick 5 that you want to try at home. If you don't like any of them, they will actually send you a complete new selection. So I do like that. I do know what's coming in this box. I mean, at one time I knew, but truthfully, I've kind of forgotten. I think I'm receiving all tops. There is a $15 charge to get styled by Fashom, but you can use that $15 towards anything that you purchase in the box. You do have 3 days to send anything that you don't want back, and there should be a mailer in here for me to return anything that I don't want to keep. And Fashom offers some great discounts, and we'll talk about that when we get to the pricing, okay? Let's see what is inside this Fashom box. Hey, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. If you like unboxings and reviews of women's clothing, please make sure you subscribe and join me for another video. Okay, here is what the inside of the box looks like. Boy, it's just like picture perfect, isn't it? I do have an envelope, and the envelope has a note from my stylist and an invoice. Yes, I have to pay for any of the clothing that I do purchase. I do have a little credit on this box, and that's because many of my viewers have used my link. I want to say thank you very much. And if you're curious what a link is, in the description box, I have all the information you need to know about Fashom and getting your own box. When you sign up for Fashom, you will get a link to share with your family and friends. So thank you to everyone that has used my link. Like I said, we do get the mailer and a bundle, and this is what the bundle looks like, and I like this one right off the bat because I like the bright colors. Okay, let's see what the bundle holds. On the top, look at this print. I like this one right off the bat, the colors. Now it is a little bit dark. It's black and white. It has some orange and some pink in it. Yeah, I guess that's all. And it has a band around the bottom. So this looks like a Renaissance, but this is Lily Rose. It does have a pocket here, and this is a button up, so it's a little bit different. This is also halter style, which I'm not always crazy about halter style, but this is really lightweight. This is a nice summer top. Next up, we have a knit, and this is by Mittoshop. Okay. So this is what this one looks like. This is it's kind of a scoop neck tee, and we do have the crochet lace detail. Oh, it's a little bell. Love a little bell sleeve, but a little flirty lace down the shoulder. And this is a straight hem, and this is kind of a purple, a lavender color. So yeah, that one's nice. It's like a t-shirt with a cute little sleeve. And then the turquoise, what do we have in the turquoise? Okay. Oh, this is by the brand UMGEE, which is a brand I like. They make funky clothes, and this one is funky. This is almost like, okay, this is an open, it's almost like a poncho or, you know, a topper to wear over either a bathing suit or a tank or something like that. This is a really big and boxy kind of neck. We do have a bit of, yeah, it's kind of a rounded V-neck. And so you kind of get the picture. You'll see when I try it on. The next piece is by the brand Windhorse. And this is a mixed material. So in the front is that black panel, and I don't know. Okay. So it really is not an asymmetrical hemline, but the way the fabric is placed, the way this garment is constructed, it almost looks asymmetrical. On the back, we do have, hopefully it's cotton. It feels like a cotton fabric with these great print. It almost looks like a patchwork. Love it. And a big split. So this looks like a piece that would work really well with skinnies or even with leggings. And the last piece is by the brand B Stage. And this looks like a long tunic length tee. It is a crew neck on top, but it does have an interesting detail. It crosses in the back and creates a keyhole. This is a knit fabric like a t-shirt, but it is stretchy. Almost a paisley print, sort of paisley. So in a navy blue with some cream colors, some pink, some coral. I knew this one was coming. It looked great on the model that modeled it. Let's see how it looks on me. I've tried everything on and I'm so excited to share a couple pieces with you that I have fallen in love with. And I also want your opinions on the other pieces because they're good. I just don't know if I should keep them, but I do have a note from my stylist. My stylist is Morgan. You can request a stylist if you like at Fashom. She says, "Hi Kelly, your new Fashom styling box has arrived. In this box, I have selected an outfit for you consisting of chic, trendy, and colorful clothing items that will be great additions to your summer wardrobe. I hope you love these fun styles, and I know you are going to rock them. Your stylist, Morgan." And then, of course, we do have all of the prices of everything, and the grand total of all 5 pieces comes to $202. Now, with Fashom, if you keep all 5 pieces, you get a 30% discount. So there's more incentive with this box to purchase everything, but you can also get 25% off by keeping only 3 or 4 items. So I know I want to keep 2 pieces. I need to find a 3rd piece, but it's a pretty great box. If I was to keep everything in this box, the grand total is only $141.40 for 4 pieces of clothing. So this is really an affordable style box. First piece is the B Stage crossback. This is like a t-shirt, and it's also a like tunic length top. This one's $43. So I don't know. Honestly, I don't have any feelings about this top. I thought it was really cute on the model when I saw it in the preview, but it feels like a t-shirt. It's a soft and stretchy fabric. It's kind of a hug your curves, which I don't always want a hug on my curves. So I need to play back my own video to see what I think about the fit on this one. And it's $43. Now, I think that's a little bit high for this, but if I am able to keep 3 pieces or even 5 pieces, it makes this top less than $30, which is where I think it ought to be in the first place. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong about this. Maybe when I see it, I'm going to think it's so exceptional and extraordinary that I'd be willing to pay even more for it. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on this one. Next up, Mittoshop. And this is basically a t-shirt in a wonderfully soft fabric. I like this. From the moment I put it on, I knew I liked it. I think the sleeves are so very well done. I like a little flounce. You guys know that. I also think that the lace down the shoulders is very, very well done. The fabric on this shirt feels like high quality. This is a $40 t-shirt, of course. I expect to get a discount on this, but yeah, I think it's worth $40. This feels really nice on, and I like this extra detail for a simple kind of basic tee, and yeah, we just kind of liven it up with a little lace and a little flounce. The Lily Rose top, this one has a lot to like about it. Now, my eye was drawn to this great pattern as soon as I saw it. This is a top that looks like something that I have in my closet. I have a lot of these fun prints and I like the colors. This one's a little bit darker than I would normally choose for myself. This one is 100% cotton. Yay to natural fabrics. I love that. Now, the armholes are really large on this, and as I was trying it on, I was trying to think about the different bras that I could wear with it. I have a lot of bras. I don't change my bras for try-ons, but I could possibly make this one work. This one is a size medium large, and it's tight around my hips and too big in the arms. So I'm not sure. It's only $39. The price is a good price. It's just not a perfect fit. And I've kind of vowed not to put anything in my closet that isn't a perfect fit. I honestly don't know that I like it enough to exchange it. I don't know how I would exchange it, to be honest with you, because the armholes are too big, which would suggest I need a smaller size, and yet the hips are too small. So if I went larger, I'm going to get bigger armholes. You see my dilemma. So this one is only $39, but this one is not a great fit. UMGEE. This is a caftan. This is a V-neck caftan, and I looked at the fabric on this. This is a rayon and polyester blend, and it's like 70% rayon and 30% polyester, so I'm not bothered by the fabric. I think this is really cool. It's $38. I do have several turquoise kind of toppers and cardigans, so I don't know if I have a need for this. It was kind of fun to wear. So let me know. Let me know what you think about this one. Should I try it? I am always game to try something. I don't own a caftan. I don't own anything like this. So I am so looking forward to what you think about the UMGEE caftan for $38. The last piece is my favorite. This is Windhorse. This is the paisley tunic top. This one is $42. And I didn't notice earlier, but it does have a very interesting hemline in the front, and it has the opening in the back. I love the patchwork print of this. The black is not my favorite, but I can live with the black because this top is so much fun. It's $42, but I have even better news. This blouse is actually a fair trade blouse, and I like that. I really like to support businesses that are fair trade, so this one is $42. It's a no-brainer. I was keeping it before I knew it was fair traded, but that just makes it all the more special. So I am definitely keeping the Windhorse. Do you guys like it? It's different. I don't have anything like it. I need something like this in my life. It's going to be fun. I'm glad that I got it right in the middle of summer. I can wear it this summer, and I will have a blast wearing this. I am definitely keeping this one, and I am keeping this violet t-shirt. Is there anything else you think I should keep? I don't know. The UMGEE? Do I need a caftan in my life? My undecided are the UMGEE caftan and the B stage crossback top. I think this one is just a poor fit, and I don't think I'm going to end up with a good fit. So this one is going to go back, and I might be able to keep 4 out of the 5. I really look forward to hearing what you think about the items that I received in this box. Fashom is a lot of fun. It's very affordable. You can work one-on-one with your stylist and let them put together a box with your specific needs. If you're going on vacation or to a wedding or back to school, any of those things, they will work specifically to find pieces for that occasion. I am so pleased with Fashom. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, could I get you to give it a thumbs up? I really appreciate all of your support. I will be back very soon with another video for you. It's going to be about fashion, women's fashion, and I hope you'll join me for that one. Until we meet again, blessings to you.